Philippines versus Hong Tian Hong Shi for reckless imprudence resulting to damage to property. Please start here. Okay, wait. Ako muna. That on or about December 12, 2011, in the city of Zamboanga, Philippines, and within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, name accused being then the driver of an automobile on the city bearing plate number KEX-5T8 owned by Janet P. Chua, operating in a public road in the city, and without taking the necessary precautions considering the width, traffic, visibility, grades, crossings, curvatures, and other conditions of the road, so as to avoid accident to persons to then and there. Reckless and fast driving caused the vehicle to bump the Yanmar welder generator equipment model YDW190 AP-6EB owned by the Zamboanga City Water District, and as a result thereof, the said Yanmar welder generator equipment valued at 215,000 pesos sustained damage in the amount of 189,943 pesos. Philippine currency to the damage and prejudice of the Zamboanga City Water District, owner thereof, Puerto Rico. What is your plea, guilty or nothing?
He said, 控告你哦，控一年哦，12月12號，我住32間市哦，這個法庭所管理的這個地區之內個哦，你去看一輛車，迄個車是本田，這個車牌是 KEX-538個哦，是一個 Jenny Chua 登記的名的哦，看這個車是最後你無注意路的交通情形，交法的各項的攏會個好，所以你無避免着這個意外哦，你去弄着一個用個水庫夾的一個發電電路的一個發電機哦，伊個發電機的號碼是伊的型號是 YDW190AE 6EB 個，是用個300元市的水庫夾的。了，伊即個發電機個號是價值是違背21,500啦，然後這個因為攏歹去個這個歹的修理費用等哦，是18,943啦，所以說就是控告你這個罪名啦，唔好違背罪過。
The accused, after reading to him the information and talking of language, understandable Philippines, is not guilty.
Is the private complainant Leonardo Ray Vasquez around?
The lawyer of Zamboanga City Water is around already.
Okay. So Leonardo Ray Vasquez is a private person, or
No, Your Honor.
is he representing the water district?
Yes, Your Honor. However, Your Honor, we asked the authority of the board, Your Honor, for the purpose of this case, Your Honor, to appear, Your Honor, in behalf of the water district, Your Honor.
You are a partner of Attorney Noel
I'm
Laban.
the in-house counsel, Your Honor, of Zamboanga City Water District, Your Honor.
Okay. I will refer the parties to the Philippine Mediation Center because this is one of the cases which are mediatable. There will be 30 days within which they should meet thrice, at least thrice or more times before the PMC, and then the next session will be the preliminary conference, wherein the accused and the private complainant will also be present or otherwise have the necessary special power of attorney to authorize their counsels to bind them or have authority acts to submit themselves to any compromise or do acts of ownership. The preliminary conference should be scheduled sometime in September, but I will just verbally dictate the order. As assisted by Attorney Ernesto Go, the accused pled not guilty to the charge of the information which was read first in the English language and later translated to Hokkien, a language which he understands. Wherefore, the parties are referred to the Philippine Mediation Center for proceedings as part of pursuant to, if not inconsistent with the preliminary conference or pre-trial, which is hereby tentatively set to. How does 12 September sound to you, Attorney Go? Attorney, what's that? Are you available on September 12? How about you?
Available, Your Honor.
Attorney,
Attorney Abadillo.
ikaw ito si Lovell Abad?
Yes, Your Honor.
12 September 2012 at 2 p.m. Furnish the parties with copies of the referral along with this order. Should conciliation fail, the parties are directed to file the necessary briefs, copy furnish the other, detailing the following points. A, the bargaining. I'm sorry, 1 o'clock pala dapat kasi may pre-marking pa tayo. Letter A is pre-marking before the OIC during the first hour. Letter B is pre-bargaining, and there's a rundown of all those matters that are to be taken up in the briefs which the both of you will submit. So ordered. And then, can you please instruct your client? Can you translate na lang sa kanya? I will refer them now to the PMC, the representative from the SAMSELCO, for the civil damages, if there is any. If the parties are willing to settle the case amicably there, then as a matter of course, I mean, usually the criminal aspect of the case will follow. It may be dismissed later on if the SAMSELCO agrees to your offer.
Water District, right?
What's that?
Water District.
Water District, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, the Water District. You are required to meet their thrice, but you are not required to make a concession if you do not want to. Yun yung importante na he should understand that he is not required to accede to the request if he feels that he should not. Pero kailangan na umattend siya doon at least para may basihan ang korte na later on na may mediator's report na unsuccessful yung civil aspect, yung mangyayari, tutuloy lang natin yung kaso. Kasi kung doon, mag-i-execute lang din naman sila yung Water District kung bali ng affidavit of desistance kung nag-settle sila doon. At kung hindi sisipot ang Water District during the hearing, during the presentation of the prosecution evidence, mahihirapan siya na mag-prosecute at saka mas lalo na mahihirapan pag mag-convict ng accused. Kaya nadi-dismiss din kadalasan yung criminal case. So, is that understood? Yung ngayon, isang counted ng ito na isang araw para sila doon. Hindi kinakailangan na may abogado, pero sa pagkakataon dahil ngayon na hindi siya nakakaintindi, ay require na i-translate mo sa kanya kung ano ang nangyayari sa PMC. Yun lang. Dapat i-issue kami na referral order doon dahil may bayad din ata sa PMC. We will have a recess. We shall await for this second case if they will still arrive. This case of Moises Man. No other cases for this are. Any other matters?
This afternoon.